Welcome to AutoMax, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews and insights. Today, let's explore the 2025 Porsche 911, a masterpiece of engineering that blends performance, luxury, and innovation. The 2025 Porsche 911 carries forward its iconic design with subtle updates, featuring sleek lines, advanced aerodynamics, and LED matrix headlights. The front bumper has been redefined, giving it a more aggressive look while maintaining the timeless silhouette that makes the 911 instantly recognizable. Under the hood, the 2025 model is powered by a range of high-performance engines, including a turbocharged flat-six that delivers more power and efficiency than ever. With improved suspension systems and all-wheel drive options, the car provides exceptional handling and driving dynamics. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology with premium materials, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The new 911 is equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, enhancing both safety and comfort. The seating is more ergonomic, offering both comfort and support, perfect for long journeys or spirited drives. Connectivity features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end sound system, making every drive more enjoyable. Porsche has also focused on sustainability by incorporating lightweight materials and offering hybrid powertrains for better fuel efficiency. Whether on the highway or the racetrack, the 2025 Porsche 911 remains a symbol of performance and luxury. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to AutoMax for more updates, reviews, and automotive content. Stay tuned for the latest in the world of cars.